Welcome to another adventure with Dusty Tales. I am on my way to meet some friends at One Stop Kitchen Bar. I had been here once before, but today, man, it's packed. There are so many bikes out here. One Stop Kitchen Bar. According to Google, it's got a 4.1 star rating out of 5. My friends and I really had a great time here. They have a very attentive staff, good food, and the atmosphere is awesome. They have an upstairs and outdoor patio. I give One Stop Kitchen Bar 4 stars. You can also find One Stop Kitchen Bar on Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, and Instagram. Please comment and subscribe. Once again, this is Rick Starr with Dusty Tales. Now get out and ride.